Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and today I'm going to give you my review and a full demo of Design Beast. Now, this is the newest graphic design tool set that I'm using, and so far I really love it. It's just so easy to use. I've used really fancy tools like Adobe Photoshop and other graphic design tools, but this is going to replace a lot of them because it's just a lot easier. Let me show you what I mean. All-in-one design and mockup engine. It's got 10,000 ready-to-use templates. Let's click here. All right, you can do Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads, Pinterest ads, album covers, book covers, brochures, certificates, coupons, Facebook ads, flyers. I mean, there's a ton of things you can do with this, and it's really easy to use. Oh, even resumes. Okay, let's say we're going to do a poster. Give it a second, and it's going to come up with a bunch of different templates here. Yeah, I think we have a couple to choose from. So let's say I want this one. You can add your logo in here if you want. I'm not going to bother doing it right now, but you can do it. All right, so let's say I don't want this dude. Just click on, and you can just delete. Just I'm tired of looking at anything that has to do with masks right now. I think you can understand. Okay, so then you can go here and you can find another image that you like. So let's say puppy. And we got this little guy here. And we're going to move him in. And the next thing I do is I'm going to remove the background. So just click remove background. And there he is. Oh, so cute. And we can resize him. And I can change this to adopt. And if that's not right, then you go here. You can change the size. You can change the font. You can change the color. Say I wanted that to be red. Go all the way up here, do that. And just click where on any of these things, you just click and change, okay? So let's say I wanted the background color to be different. Say I wanted it to be, I don't know, black. You can do that. But it's up to you, whatever you want. Easy. Now, can you see how this is going to make your life easier? And how you can even take these skills and go to Fiverr or any of these freelance sites and make a really good living doing little things like this for people without needing to know a lot of technical knowledge. It's one of the things I really like about this. So let's go back, and I'm going to show you some more features. Always go back to dashboard, okay? Slick image editor. So someone needs an image edited. Let's go in, find one. Let's take her. Okay. Now what you can do is do auto smoothing just by clicking this button. And it makes it a little smoother for her. Okay. There we go. Next thing is you can edit her. You can crop, resize, rotate. We can add effects, like put a different color in here. So let's find one we like. Let's do concentrate, okay? You click it, and it concentrates it, okay? If I didn't like this, you just click this little button, undo, okay? And auto smooth. You can do enhancements. So magic enhancement, click here, and it automatically enhanced it for you. Let's say object aware crop. So what it's going to do is it's going to find the objects in here, and it's going to give you different versions of this crop different ways. with a click of a button. See? There we have her. And there's just different different versions. And if you don't like it, you just go back. Okay? Social media crops. This will crop this for social media. See? Different sizes. Here we go. Nice. And if you wanted to add a new layer, you could. Adding text. Easy, easy, easy. Now let's go back to the dashboard. And we're going to do one-click background remover. And I'm going to use that same girl here. Open. And this is something I use all the time. See? Background removed. Now let me show you something else. Sometimes this doesn't come out perfectly. So then you just click on edit. And if there was something in here that you're like, yeah, I really want that erased too, you can resize the brush. And then let's say I wanted that little black piece out of here. Click on it, it's gone. Okay? Now let's say I wanted to restore some of the background for whatever reason. Restore brush. And here we go. See? It's putting that background back in. So that is how easy this whole process is. Let's go back to the dashboard. I'll show you some more stuff. Ooh, this one you're going to love because you're going to be able to sell this like hotcakes. So I'm going to put Cat's graphic design, a little logo, create logo, graphics, initials, signature. So let's say we're going to go graphical, proceed, pick a niche. Now let's say, I'm going to say technology. Create logo. Look at all the logos it created for me. And if you don't like those, click load more. Now, how much do you think you would be able to charge a client if you said, listen, I will design 10 different logos for you, and then you pick the one you like? I think they'd be willing to pay for that. And if they didn't like any of them, you just keep loading more, experimenting. You're not actually designing anything. It doesn't take you that much time. It's an amazing way of earning a little extra income. Dashboard. All right, animated ad builder. I think you're getting the point. You can do your logo, upload that in there. I'm going to skip it for now. There's just so many different things you can do here. They've got a bunch of different templates. Yes. Say I didn't want her in there, but I wanted, say, guitar. You go in here, and let's say I wanted her. So, number one, we're going to resize her a bit. Number two, we're going to remove the background. See? Easy peasy. And then you can go in and you can change all this stuff, like I've shown you with everything else. Click, upload different image. Really easy. Let's see what other goodies we've got here. All right. All right, pixel perfect. If you have something that's pixelated, yes, it'll smooth it out. But this one's a little bit more fun, so I'm going to do that one. Live motion photos. Upload image. All right. Take this one, open. I'm going to do free crop so you can see the whole thing in motion. But you can do any of these. And I'm going to do this, okay? And I'm going to proceed. So what you want to do is, I want the moon to stand still. So I would do, I'm just curious. Okay, so you take this and you start doing this all the way around the moon. I like to do it fairly close. Anything that you don't want to move, you would do this to, okay? Okay, then the parts of this that you want to move, do this, and play with it a little bit. See what happens, see if you like the effect. But I'm just going to do this really quick and see what that looks like. Okay, now they also have animation speed you can change. You can add text. Let's say, let's call this moon coin. Put this here. And they also have, you can add images, but that's not what I'm looking for. Add more effects. Okay, so I'm going to add some clouds going by here. All right, isn't that cool? And that's how you do this. Really, really a lot of fun. People pay a lot of money for these type of videos. So you can take any image and do this type of thing. Very cool. Let's pause it and let's see what else I can show you right now. Dashboard. Magic object remover. That's simply, you know how we took away the background? Well, this can take away objects and people that are in a photo that you don't want to be there. It's pretty self-explanatory, but we'll do one just so you get the idea. Let's do this one. Okay, so you got a brush, and let's say you didn't want this in there, okay? Take that one away, we'll take this one away. And you click proceed. And this is it without that one or this one. And you can edit again, you can download. It's pretty self-explanatory. Now there's two. And then there's two other tools here, Video Resizer, which will edit your videos and resize them, and Video Survey Pro, which I'm not going to get into because there's a bunch of things you have to really set up, but I'll show you the inside. All right, so you're doing campaigns where you're gathering testimonials, you're including bonuses, and you're using the video editor and surveys and polls, and you're creating pages. Like I said, I'm not going to go too deep into this because I haven't really played with it that much myself, and I just want to keep this real. But that is all the things you can do with Design Beast. I love it. If you want to be able to use all these tools, right, go ahead, get it. It will replace most of your other graphic design tools. So that's all I have to say. I love it. I'm using it. Go ahead and get it. Bye.